Whoa, this one immediately looks like a serious business command center, not just another app. Today I'm checking out Uspacy on AppSumo. It promises CRM, tasks, and chat together. That combination already sounds dangerously convenient. If your team lives in messages and spreadsheets, this could save a ton of switching around. Let's get into what Uspacy actually does. First impression: clean layout, focused, and practical. Nothing feels over-designed or distracting here. It looks built for real work, fast. Uspacy brings sales, collaboration, and follow-ups into one workspace. That matters when your day is non-stop. Instead of jumping between tools, everything stays together. CRM handles the customer side. Tasks keep your team moving. Chat keeps conversations flowing in real time. Those three usually live in separate apps. Here, they're finally under one roof. And honestly, that alone feels like a big productivity win. What caught my attention most is the AI. It turns messages, calls, and emails into action. That means less manual cleanup after every interaction. No more forgotten follow-ups buried in your inbox. No more copying notes into task lists. The system helps turn communication into next steps. That's huge for busy sales teams. It's also great for small businesses with lean teams. When everyone wears multiple hats, automation matters. You need tools that reduce work, not add more of it. Uspacy seems designed with that reality in mind. I like that it supports both selling and internal coordination. That balance is hard to find. Many CRMs track deals but ignore teamwork. Many chat tools connect people but miss context. Uspacy tries to solve both problems together, so a conversation can actually lead somewhere useful. That makes follow-up easier and much less chaotic. For team managers, that's especially attractive. You can keep projects, conversations, and customer updates aligned. Less chasing, fewer gaps, better visibility overall. From a workflow perspective, this feels organized. You're not hunting through teams to understand what's happening. Everything important is in one place. And that creates a smoother daily rhythm. The biggest advantage here is simplicity with function. It doesn't just combine features for the sake of it. It combines them around actual work. That makes it easier to adopt. It also makes it easier to stay consistent. If your team struggles with fragmented communication, this is worth serious attention. If your current setup feels messy or disconnected, Uspacy could be the reset you need. I'd especially recommend it to sales teams who need clearer follow-through. Small businesses will probably appreciate the all-in-one structure. And managers will like the visibility it creates. My honest take: this is one of those tools that can quietly improve your whole workflow. Not flashy, just useful in the right ways. If you want CRM, tasks, and chat working together, this is a strong pick. And with the AppSumo deal, the timing looks even better. So if your team needs one workspace instead of 3, check out Uspacy today.